Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to type in a circle in Photoshop, so let's get started. So first select your ellipse tool. And here select path. And now draw a circle and hold the Shift key to draw a perfect circle. Now select your path selection tool and put your circle in the middle. Now select your horizontal type tool, and after selecting the font of your choice, just hover over to this circle. And once you see this icon with a wavy line, then just click to type. If your text is too long, then you can triple click on the text to select the whole text and simply decrease the size. And you can type more if you want. Now as you can see, my text is starting from here. And I want this to start from the top. So select your path selection tool. And click where your text is starting from. Now this point that I am holding right now is the starting point of the text. And this point is the ending point of the text, so just move the starting point where you want to start the text. Now if you notice, the word Photoshop and let's see is gone. So simply move the ending point close to the starting point, so the whole text will be visible. And if you click and drag this inside the circle, the text will be written inward. And if you move it outward, the text will be written outside. And there you go. Now let's see how to type like this. So let me just delete all of this and type a new text. Now I will simply adjust it on the top of the circle. Now press Ctrl+J to make a copy of this text. Now click and drag the starting point of this text on the bottom of the circle. Now click and drag it inside the circle. And simply adjust. Now select your text tool and triple click on the text. Press Alt and the right arrow key multiple times to adjust the spacing between the letters. And simply adjust. And there you go. So that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video.